Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Lovely Channel, God. Ça fait longtemps nous pas passé. Et bien, je dis à guys, qui ça nous est en ouais, qui ça qui m'val parler. Nous pas travailler avec moi, côté c'est un pharmacy technician. I travaille dans l'hôpital. I'm working in the hospital as a pharmacy technician in the pharmacy. So today, guys, you're gonna see me what I'm doing at my job in the hospital as a pharmacy technician. So today, guys, been so long time ago we don't see each other. So today, you're gonna see me. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a like and leave a comment for me. So let me know. So if you don't subscribe yet, do it now. You will not regret it. Okay, guys, stay connected with me. Let's go to work with me. Okay, stay connected. Yes, guys, so right now, because you know I have evening shift, so right now I'm supposed to start at 2:30, but the traffic is very hard. See my if I show you the traffic right now, the traffic go crazy. So if someone going to work at that time, you know, some of the people they're going to work, some of them get off from work. So right now, guys, I'm on my way to go to church. Not church, I'm sorry. I'm on my way to go to work. So you know, as a pharmacy technician. So guys, this is today gonna be a good day. This is the day that the Lord has made. You shall be glad and rejoice in it. So guys, remember, no matter what kind of situation you're going through, always praying God. Even though you don't feel like to pray, make sure you sing a song. So because sometimes when you don't pray, you have a lot of stress come up on you. You have too much depression come up on you, guys. That's only one thing you need to do, guys. I'm telling you, is praying, guys. So guys, that's why I'm on my way to go to work. So I'm praying, guys. If you hear some noise, that means I'm on my way. So the traffic going crazy. So guys, stay tuned. I'm almost there to my work. So when I'm get there, so I'm gonna let you get there. So guys, stay tuned. So we're going to work with me together. You're gonna see what I'm doing at my job, guys. Okay, right, guys, this is where I work in the hospital. It called HCA University Hospital. This is a guy. I don't know if you can see it clearly. You see, this is my job. You see the big building. So right now I'm almost there, guys. So this is the hospital. You see it? This is where I work too. So guys, I'm going to park my car. You know, for the employees, they have a special parking for us. So you know, they visited how the parking. You know, right now, you see, this is the hospital. So I'm going to park my car right here, guys. That's the hospital. This is the hospital. I'm going inside right now. So I'm running right now. Thank God I'm not really late. I'm not late anyway. I can tell I'm late. I'm not late. So I have to make sure I get inside first. I don't want to be late, you know. This is the hospital, guys. Okay, now I'm arrived to my job right now, guys. I'm on the elevator right now. You see me right now? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm working now to the emergency, not an emergency. So I got my mask with me right here. So I'm gonna put another mask anyway. So guys, this is my job. You see, guys, this is the hospital. I'm working right now, so guys, safe turn. Okay, this is where I work too. This is the hospital. You know. Now, guys, now I'm going to the first floor. I'm going to the second floor. I'm going to deliver something for the I just got in the ICU, so I'm going to the women's services. Now is the fifth floor. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. Ça c'est tout médicament que je délivrer yo, guys. So je délivrer médicament maman de nous. Pas oublier abonner, pas oublier commenter, pas oublier quitter un like. Si tout ça on veut m'abonner, nous ka shopping comme moi, gétant presque MC. So baka montrer nos computer ou connait bagay ça ou li privé. Okay, guys. So I'm going to the another let's do it with me. Okay, guys. Yep, this is me. Hello, guys. Encore. Hey, guys, welcome back again. So, nous déjà ouais que c'est dans route pour ma lakay moi konya. So, me fin travail. Konya là, moi avec ti moun yo, so pick up ti moun moi yo, nous ka ouais ou there. So, connaissez comme ça. Mais jodi a c'est un long day pour moi, guys. Was so busy. And the pharmacy, it was so busy. So I'm driving right now. Map drive, map conduit ma lakay moi, guys. So this is it. Map mande ou même qui fait tomber sur cette vidéo ça pour la première fois. Map mande ou don't forget to subscribe, pas oublier abonner, pas oublier like vidéo à sauter mais que ça vidéo que me porter pour nous malgré une fois pile sacrifice nous pas toi, guys. Et bien c'est ça que fait nous. Même journée jodi a parce que longtemps nous pas ouais. Nous ka figure pas manquer paraître fatigué. So guys, nous connaît. It's not facile, guys. It's not easy. Now I just get off from work, guys. Pas oublier quitter on like, pas oublier abonner, pas oublier quitter on subscribe pour nous. Et comme ça fait nous connaît nous va venir l'autre plus belle vidéo encore qui me va apporter pour nous. Encore on le fera encore. Pas oublier que sister nous lovely shallow garder mais nous il a toujours